Yes, sec square x, isn't it? So that means antiderivative of sec square x is what? Tan x. Coming back to this. Understood? Yes, Gopika? No. Yes, okay. Okay. Understood. So what is this antiderivative? That antiderivative is nothing but it is integration. Integration. Antiderivative is integration. Understood. So as an introduction, you can write what is integration. Integration is the inverse process of differentiation. Integration is the inverse process of differentiation. So it is also known as anti-differentiation. It is also known as anti-differentiation. Okay. Then you can write these examples also. D by dx of sin x is cos x. So antiderivative of cos x is sin x. D by dx of tan x is sec square x. So antiderivative of sec square x is tan x. Okay. Now let's see how we'll write the integration. How is this? What is the symbol for that? Etc. Etc. So if f of x is a function, if f of x is a function, if f of x is a function, then its integration is denoted as integral. This is the symbol for integration. Okay. Or if you write correctly, like this. Integral f of x dx. Okay. So if f of x is a function, how is its integral written? Integral means integral f of x dx. Integral f of x dx. Okay. This is the symbol for integration. For differentiation, it was d by dx of f of x. Isn't it? We used to write like this for differentiation. For integration, we will write integral f of x dx. Integral f of x dx. Understood? Now, when we get an answer, suppose I am getting an answer. At that, my answer, for example, I am denoting it as g of x, for example. My answer for integral f of x dx is g of x. Let it be that. Then, after finding out the answer, I have to put a c here, which is known as constant of integration. This is known as constant of integration. Listen, I am not showing any question. I'm not showing you how to do a question. How to do a question is the next topic. I'm just letting you know what are the terms and what letters you will see while doing integration. Suppose I'm having a function f of x, then its integral is denoted as integral f of x dx. And if I'm getting an answer g of x or any function in terms of x, you will add a c here. You will add a c here plus c. What is the c? The c is known as constant of integration. C is known as constant of integration. So this is a sign of integration, sign, symbol for integration. This is what I take integrate or I integrate. This is my answer for integration and this is constant c, which is an arbitrary constant or constant of integration. So please note these things. Okay, got it? Any doubts? Anybody having any doubts? Okay. Now, let's see how to take integration of certain function. Yes, Isaac. G of x means what answer you will get for this integration. Okay, g of x means my answer for integration or antiderivative, that for different questions we'll do in different methods that I'll teach you. Okay, so if I get an answer g of x, I have to put plus c. That's what I need to mention you. Understood, Isaac? Okay. Now the integration integrals you have to by heart. Okay. So please write integration of like the differentiation we have by hearted some few things, no, like that in integration also you have something to by heart. So integration of some elementary functions, integration of some elementary functions, integration of some elementary functions. Okay, so first thing, so I'm writing differentiation, then I'll compare that with integration. Okay, like that I'll be writing. Listen, what is d by dx of x? Derivative of x with respect to x. What is that? Derivative of x with respect to x? Yes, it is 1, isn't it? So, what is integration of 1 with respect to x? What is integration of 1? See, differentiation answer is 1. So, integration answer will be what? X. So, integration of 1 dx is x. And we will put a plus c also. Understood? Understood this one? Now, what is the derivative of log x? What is the derivative of log x? What is that? 1 by x, isn't it? So, what is the integration of 1 by x dx? What is the integration of 1 by x? Integration of 1 by x will be log x plus c. For everything, we'll add a plus c. Yes. Following, those who are studying this for the first time, especially Manu, Betty, which is there? Okay, the Betty is not there. Thomas, Isaac. Tell me whether you are following it. Okay, Kia. Yeah. Now, Now, derivative of x raised to n. What was that? N x raised to n minus 1. Isn't it? So here, small difference. Integral x raised to n is x raised to, sorry, for integration you have to put a dx also. Don't put just this curve, you have to put a dx. Then only integrating with respect to x. It is x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Differentiation of integration is n x raised to n minus 1. Here it is plus x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. By heart it. Okay. Next one. What was d by dx of e raised to x? What was d by dx of e raised to x? E raised to x, isn't it? Now, so what is the integration of e raised to x? Yes, e raised to x dx. Answer is e raised to x plus c. Yes, correct. Correct. Some people are only giving me the answers, others are not giving. Why? What happened? Are you following it? Whatever is the doubt, you can ask, because for integration, you study from the base, then only you will be able to follow. If you study from the base, if you feel this as interesting, you will be able to do all the questions. Otherwise, if you are not interested in this, you will not be understanding anything. That is a problem with integration. Okay, next is, what was derivative of sin x? It was cos x, isn't it? So what is integration of cos x? What is that? Sin x plus c, because we are studying indefinite integral. We are studying indefinite integral. That's all. Next one. D by dx of cos x, that is minus sin x, isn't it? So integral of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. Minus cos x plus c. Yes. Next, d by dx of sec x was what? Sec x tan x, remember? So what is the derivative of sec x tan x? Integral of sec x tan x? It will be sec x plus c. Sec x plus c. So all of you read these integrals 2 times. Each of these you read 2 times. We have a few more to by heart. Okay, that we will by heart. Before that, I want all of you to read all these things for 2 times and ask me if you have any doubts. Read all of you. Okay. Now, a few more. What was d by dx of cosec x? What was that? Minus cosec x cot x, isn't it? So, integral of cosec x cot x dx is minus cosec x plus c. That is just coming back to this. Yes. Next one. Integral of, sorry, derivative of tan x was what? D by dx of tan x was sec square x, isn't it? So, integral of sec square x dx is tan x plus c. Next is d by dx of cot x. What was that? Minus cosec square x, isn't it? So, integral of cosec square x is what? Minus cot x plus c. Yes. Following it? Are you able to follow? Any doubts? Anybody? Okay. Yeah. So please copy down this. A few more are there, like in inverse trigonometry, then tan x, cot x, etc. integration. Yeah. So I'm not going to write everything in a single stretch. We'll study this first, do some problems, then we'll study the remaining. Okay. So all of you read this, we'll do the problems. Have you all written? Okay. Write a question. Find integral x cube dx. Find integral x cube dx. Very easy. Just for you to understand the basics, we are doing this problems. So what is the answer? What is integral x raised to n dx? X raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So here it is. Here the answer will be x raised to 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. That is x raised to 4 by 4 plus c. Yes, correct. Next question. Integral sine 2x dx. Integral sine 2x dx. Listen carefully. Listen here, all of you. What is the integration of sine x? What is the answer integration for sine x? That is minus cos x plus c, isn't it? But see here it is 2x. In differentiation, if we had a function inside another function, what rule you will apply? In differentiation, if you have a function inside another function, what was the rule that you applied? If you had a function inside another function, what rule you applied in differentiation? Yes, chain rule you applied, isn't it? Chain rule. But here, in chain rule, what you will do? If you are asked to find the derivative of sine 2x, what you will do? You will do derivative of sin x is cos 2x into 2. You will do into 2, remember, in differentiation. But here, in integration, you will do divided by 2. In difference integration, you will do divided by 2. So that is, what is the integration of sin 2x? That is minus cos 2x, isn't it? Then you have to divide by the derivative of 2x. What is the derivative of 2x? Derivative of 2x is 2. You have to divide with that. Plus c. Understood? In integration, after taking the integration of the outer function, you have to divide with the derivative of the inner function. Understood? Those who are studying for the first time, is it clear for you? If you have a function inside another function, okay. Next question. Integral e raised to x dx. Sorry, e raised to 3x dx. Integral e raised to 3x dx. Integral e raised to 3x dx. Okay, so how would you do? What is the integration of e raised to x? It is e raised to x. So here it is e raised to 3x. Now you have to divide with the derivative of 3x. What is the derivative of 3x? 3 plus c. So answer is e raised to 3x by 3 plus c. Yes. Yes, correct. Isaac, Manu, Betty, are you able to follow? Thomas, David, are you all able to follow this? Any doubts you are having, please ask. Because some people will feel this chapter difficult. That's why I'm asking you again and again. Is it, are you able to follow this? Any doubts you are having? Next question. Next question. Integral ax plus b the whole square dx. Integral ax plus b the whole square dx. Okay, so listen here. Here we have something raised to something, isn't it? So it is of the form x raised to n, integral x raised to n dx. But be careful when you're going to apply this formula. When you're going to apply this formula, before that, you have to check whether anything inside here is linear. Something inside here should be linear. Then only you can directly apply this x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. Linear means what? Linear means you will not see any square or cube inside. Understood what I'm saying? Before applying this property, you have to see whether inside thing is linear. So here no problem, the inside thing is linear. We don't have any square or anything inside. So you can directly take the integration. So you will get ax plus b the whole raised to 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Then what you have? You have to divide that with what? Derivative of ax plus b. What is the derivative of ax plus b? A. So you will get what? You will get ax plus b the whole cube by 3a plus c plus c plus c. Yes, Gopika. Plus c. Please tell me whether you have any doubt or not. Dave, that why not reply? Betty, getting it? Kia, Kiran, Mithun, Tirtha, Diya, Devika, Arul. Okay. Next question. Integral sine 2x minus 4 e raised to 3x. Sine 2x minus 4 e raised to 3x dx. See, what is the integration of sine 2x? Minus cos 2x divided by 2. Minus 4. What is the integration of e raised to 3x? That is e raised to 3x divided by derivative of 3x. That is 3 plus c. Tell me whether you are getting or not. Got it, all of you? Yeah. Next question. Next question. Integral 4 e raised to 3x plus 1 dx. So I'm writing some questions. You do one by one. These are very simple questions. I'll write here and I'll solve here. You also try to solve yourself. Next question, integral x square into 1 minus 1 by x square dx. Next question. Integral 2x square plus e raised to x dx. So first question I have written here. What is the answer? Integral 4 e raised to 3x. So 4 I can keep right like this. E raised to 3x. What is the integration? That is e raised to 3x divided by derivative of 3x, that is 3, plus 1. What is the integration of 1? That is x plus c. Next one. So this was the first question I have written here. Second question. How would you do the second question? You can multiply this x square inside. So the question will become integral x square minus 1 dx, isn't it? X square into 1, x square into 1 by x square, 1. So that is, what is the integration of x square? X raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x cubed by 3 minus, what is the integration of 1? That is x plus c. Got it? Those who are studying for the first time, I need the reply from you people. Okay. Next one. Next question. Integral 2x square plus e raised to x square. So 2 you will keep like this. X square integration is x cubed by 3 plus e raised to x integration is e raised to x plus c. Okay. So NCERT textbook part 2, class 12 NCERT textbook part 2. In that you have integration chapter. So 7.1 exercise and 7.1 exercise 7.1. Try to solve it. Okay. I mean, I need you to practice more. That's all. Wherever book, whatever book you do more problems on integration, you have to do that, because integration chapter needs more practice as compared to other chapters. Integration needs more practice. That's why then only you'll get the instinct of solving that questions. Okay, so you have to study doing more problems. Okay. So go through what all things we have studied today. Any doubts you can ask now. By heart all the integration that I given you in that list, that those are basics. If you by heart that, we can study the remaining. Any doubts, anybody? Go through. Before leaving the class, all of you show your book in the video. Show me the book in the video before leaving the class.